So first, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you less important updates about Pi Network that finally Pi Coin is listed right now. More than 7 central exchanges has recently listed Pi Coin and many other major central exchanges going to list Pi soon. Okay, where Pi is in upcoming listing also. You can see friends 60% pump right now, more than $2 current price. So this is big bang news for all Pi Coin holder because this was a first ever mobile mining cryptocurrency app and launched in 2029. So after I think 6 years this listing is finally done. More than 7 central exchanges is already list Bitcoin. You can see right now its price is now dumping also $1.87. And friends, it's also possible that we can see Bitcoin listing on Binance too. You can see last 24 hours pump by 46%, last 1 hour 54% pump. Fully diluted valuation is $19.1 billion, more than $100 million trading volume. Okay, only MEX exchange trading volume is more than $60 million. So this trading volume is still not updated completely. This trading volume for Pi network is I think only 20% of central exchanges. Right now, Picoin has more than $2 billion trading volume on all central exchanges. Max supply will be 100 billion coins right now in circulation. I think 4 to 5 billion, not mentioned here yet here, but definitely you will see it soon. You can see friends, layer 1 blockchain made in USA. This is amazing. Layer 1 blockchain just like Bitcoin smart contract platform. So this is awesome. You can check out all details here, and these are the 7 exchanges where price right now listed, where you can buy sell buy coin. Okay, Bitcat has listed, OKX, MEXC, CoinW, Habit, Novadex, and Vax exchanges already list buy coin, and Get.io and many other central exchanges will list buy coin tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Their pi is in upcoming listing also. So right now this is big bang news for all pi coin holders. They are mining Pi since 2019, 6 years ago. So right now, this is big bang news for all you guys that Pi coin is right now listed on more than 7 central exchanges, and many other major central exchanges are going to list Pi coin soon. And because Pi has more than 60 million community, 60 million users, so it's definitely possible that we can see its listing on Binance also, because made in USA project. So this is good, friends. You can see friends on MEX exchange and hot cryptocurrencies right now. Pi network is officially listed here. You can see okay 15% pump here, but it's more than 70 to 80% pump here. You can see listed price was $1.1 and all-time high price was $2.1. Right now there's a red candle also. Trading volume, as I already show you, more than $60 million. So this is awesome, friends. Newly launched meme coins or newly launched crypto and more than $60 million trading volume. This is awesome. You can check out details here. That 100 billion supply. This is real Pi coin that is right now listed on MEX exchange. If you do not have MEX exchange account yet, I will provide you MEX and Get.io exchange accounts in description. You can join both central exchanges and you can purchase the coin. They are not listed on tier 1 central exchanges yet. Like you can see friends, Launchpool Pi network is also upcoming listing on Get.io. You can see friends, after 2 days, Pi coin will be listed here. A hot new coin. Okay, this an upcoming listing here. So this is big bang news that Pi coin going to be listed here in futures. But spot trading is already active here. You can see friends, 300% up. So this is good. You can trade Pi coin here also. But first, right now, as many people has thousands of Pi coins because this was a free cryptocurrency mining app. So people says many free coins. So right now they are heavy selling for Pi also. So maybe we can see a good dump, a short term dump in Pi also. But definitely long term, Pi coin can be a good project, good crypto project for long term investment. And because a layer 1 blockchain, this is not a meme coin. So definitely in short term, maybe we can see a good jump here in Pi also, but $2 listing price Pi is unexpected. This is big bang news for all the crypto lovers.